This rotisserie fits on a Weber grill, standard 22-inch Kettle Grill. I made this because the rotisseries that come with these types of grills, you can put a couple of dinky chickens on it. This one here, you can put 6 full butterflied chickens on it, in other words 12 halves, or you can load it up with ribs, which this is not, but that's all I had. This runs off of a small battery operated rotisserie, and that will turn it about 14 hours on 2 D-cell batteries. This unit lifts out when you're not using it and comes right apart for easy cleaning. And should you be interested in one of these for the holidays or anytime, our phone number and email address is on the bottom of this video. Thanks.